What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to free up storage into your ChatGPT, how to delete images and files from your media library in a book, okay? How to delete it faster. So if you are a mobile user, I recommend that you ask a desktop version of your site on the mobile browser. Chrome has this option, okay? The Chrome app. Or you can go to a computer. That is my personal recommendation. After this, take a moment to hit the subscribe button and like this video. Then go to ChatGPT, review the left sidebar of menus, click on it and go to library, okay? Once on library, you're gonna be able to see all of the images and their sizes, okay? And you can select the image and click on delete, but it's gonna take ages, okay? So how to do the process faster? This is what you're gonna learn to this video, okay? All you have to do is hover over the name of the image and review the left sidebar of menus. You're gonna be able to select 20 images, click on delete. Delete permanently to free up. Simple as this. ChatGPT gonna take some time to delete all the images, okay? It's normal. I think they do this on purpose to sell you some storage in some time, in some moment to the future, to have some more revenue river, okay? But no worries. Just leave this browser tab and wait for the process to happen. And of course, you can go to ChatGPT. Once again, scroll down so you can load more images. Then go back to name, select all. Now I have selected 80. So click on delete. And you can just wait to free up lots of space, okay? Simple, right? And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best.